Hello friends, welcome to Tech with Rohit. In this video, I will be telling you how you can use temporary emails to stay away from spamming content. The spamming content means you get offers from different websites, different spam, the spam emails which are automatically get towards your spam inbox. To overcome this problem, I have come with a simple trick and a website. The website we will use here is called Minute Inbox. Okay, before starting with video, I will be requesting you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss update from me. Let's start with the video. Okay, the first step to start, head towards your browser. Okay, open your browser and in the search bar type Minute Inbox. The link is in the description. You can copy it and paste it here and press enter. Okay, the website has loaded successfully. You can get this a simple interface. Here is our email address, temporary email. The email address you can get max up to 1 month, or you can multiply then before it expire. Here you can get the timer. If you add 10 minutes, it will automatically get 10 minutes added. Okay, you can check here, or you click on 1 month, it gets for 1 month. Okay, you can check the time. Okay, you can also delete and generate a new email. So for it, I will be showing you live proof by verifying an email from a simple website. Okay, let's copy it. The email address successfully get copied. Okay, new tab. For example, I will go to, okay, let's go to a Canva. Canva is a website where you can design your graphics, and this I uses personally this for generating my thumbnails and post logos. Okay, Canva, search on Google. The first website is here. Click on it. Okay, let's sign up here. Sign up with email. Okay, let's put your name. Okay, I put my name Rohit. Then this password. Okay, I have successfully put your password. Try to put your password in minimum 8 digits or alphabets. Should have at least one uppercase and a lowercase and a special to make that combination a stronger bit. Okay, get started. Okay, the email has successfully accepted. Okay, we will choose as a personal, maybe later. Okay, let's start with for example logo. Okay, now if you want you can start with here, or let's check our inbox. Okay, you can see here the Canva. Okay, Canva, and confirm your email. Okay, confirm email address and successfully confirmed. Here you can check that Rohit and the name of email, the account has been successfully created. You can check here, thanks, your email address is now confirmed. Okay, this was a simple trick, and you can generate multiple emails to get away from your spam content. So do not give your original email on these websites because they give you offers, and that offers their emails. To stay away from this, you can use this 10 minutes mail. This is a disposal email which over time get disposal automatically if you do not renew it. Okay, if you press the delete, you get a new email address with the 10 minutes time limit. If you want to increase it, you can click on 1 month, and the automatically time limit will get to a 1 month. So this was all about this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel to never miss an update from me. Till then, bye.